Hi. I think we would all agree that a lot of things have been happening over the past, how many years now? Is it 3 or is it 4? It's 3, right? Anyhow, I know that oftentimes the question arises of what is it that we can do, right, to help make things better? And that's a really good question. I used to ask myself that same question, and I've been in a dark place for a while. But I think I've concluded that there are spiritual principles and psychological principles that say, in so many words, that where attention goes, energy grows. And so the more we shift our attention to what we're wanting to attract, what we're wanting to see more of, the better. Or the more you're gonna get more of what you want versus focusing on things that you don't want. Yeah. Okay, this is my first video. I totally had so many more thoughts, but I forgot them. So keep watching.